My
Yeah.
bros.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you ain't gonna be driving it all around town, but just remember, yeah.
All right, we at Chevy right now. Gotta pick up the whip. Give y'all a look at the inside. Check it out. Still gotta get all the stickers out.
It's right here in the middle.
Engine. Give y'all a good look. Y'all want to see the trunk space. Trunk space not very big. It's good enough though. Let's see. Frunk. See if I know where the button is.
I don't know if it opens from the front.
I found it.
That's crazy.
The front. Size comparison. It's pretty nice.
Got charging too.
Yeah, I got a little charger in there.
It's got what? It's a charger in there.
Automatic close too.
So you can open it from right here.
Yeah, it's to the right a little. Yeah, it's like a little button. Feel it? Right there. It's not even a physical button.
Yeah, it's like a sensor.
It's like a sensor. Yeah. Just lift it.
So there's your charge right here. There's not really a charger, but you can put a car charger.
Oh yeah.
With this
Cigarette lighter. Yeah. That's clutch.
This is actually pretty spacious. You have a
Yeah, it's pretty big.
put a backpack in here.
I mean, I can fit in there. See if I can fit in there. Hold this real quick.
What is you doing?
Just
So that's the trunk, front. See how it closed right there? It's kind of clutch right there, like that. Yeah. Engine one more time. I like the coupe because I can see the engine from the convertible. You know what I'm saying? So it gives it a nice vibe. I like the clear. Oh, what's this? Nice. It's pretty wide on the back. All right, about to move the car back out. Gonna get it cleaned up a little bit, stickers removed, get it back outside on the lot. So, oh yeah.
Right now. Right here, right? We're gonna make it official.
Gotta get it nice and good. All right, it's in there.
Your OnStar calls. I don't know if you downloaded the Chevy app already yet. You know how to use it already?
Kind of. I haven't gotten into it yet.
So if you do the welcome call, they'll kind of explain everything to you. But of course, with the app, remote start, locking and unlocking the vehicle, you can check the tire pressure, oil life, the air filter, and everything like that. If there's any recalls that come up, they'll also be available for you to see on the app to see what it is. And you can also set your service appointments on the app too. All right. Whenever they drop the enrollment points for you, just let me know and we'll order the radiator vents.
Actually, I might
So you don't have to order the part with your points, but like I was telling a guy I had here earlier, if you do order it online, they may give you a discount versus getting it here at the counter. So they gave him a 25% discount because he spent over a certain amount. So possibly the same for you. He did use some of his points. You don't have to use your points, but they're there if you want to use them. Any other questions? Yeah. Any other questions? Let me know. You can come by if you need any help trying to figure something out, or just give me a call. The app too. You can also watch some videos too. So if there's nothing you don't know how to do and it's too late, you don't want to bother, you can. But you can call or text me. It's all good. You won't be bothered. And if you want to pull up or anything like that, that's fine too. We'll show you how to do whatever you need to do. All right. Congrats, man. And then remember the 500 miles too.
Oh yeah, don't push it past.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be exactly at 500 miles, but once you pass that 500-mile marker, you can get that first oil change, and then, like I said, that'll kind of open up the performance of the vehicle in a whole. So a little bit different.
You gotta be a little bit patient.
Yeah, just be patient. Yeah. So that's why, I'm pretty sure you ain't gonna be driving it all around town, but just remember, once you get to that 500,
Then I can.
you can really open it up a little bit.
So you gotta do an oil change at the
You don't have to. It's recommended. Most of the guys that I've seen come in with the car, they usually get that first oil change around 500 miles.
do whatever they recommend.
But because most people, they want to kind of open it up. Not to say that he will, but it won't give you like that maximum performance.
For sure.
They drive like me.
What those are turning into now is kind of like everybody's waiting for the new models to come out. So, but that's just giving the opportunity that everybody was waiting on the more souped up older models like that one to get here. So I don't even know how long that would be. I don't have that many of them. It's like on the Camaros too, same thing. You get a Camaro and it's gone. Put that in the trunk too. You don't ride off like that. Yes, sir. See, it was perfect timing for you, man. It started raining and everything. These are everything.
Probably gonna get better max anyway. Need to get some weather.
What we supposed to do it on 1 or 0.5?
1.
1.